Supply chain is a great buzzword that everybody's throwing around, but I'm not quite sure if people understand the value of supply chain from an overseas office or an overseas or sourcing globally. My point, supply chain is definitely possible from overseas. A lot of times companies will assume that because it's from China, it's going to take a long time. And it may take a little while for your initial run. But if you're able to work with the factories and able to get them to run or run ahead or place a little bit of a larger order where they're holding a safety stock or a next release or even inventory for you for unfinished production. The point is that if you have somebody on the ground at the factory level, we're able to kind of push back on the factory, get them to do all those things I just mentioned, and be able to kind of shorten drastically, if not completely, your lead times. And that way you can release and use up all your inventory here domestically. Right behind it is a new delivery coming in, whether it's coming in right from the factory or whether it's coming from our US warehouse. This supply chain thing is a big deal. It can be a huge game changer for your customers and be able to really lock them in long-term as a partner. And that brings margin and that brings sales to all of us. So I hope this is helpful. Thanks.